Okay, so today we are going to practice reading words with glued sounds. So we will do some words that have ink in them. Ankh, unk, and ank. So as I build the words, go ahead and tap them out so that we can read them together. All right, so the first glued sound we will work with is I-N-K, pink, ink. Bring down this letter. Take a second to tap it out. S, ink. Blend it together. Sink. And the next word we will build, we're going to stay with the ink. Tap it out. Ink. Blend it. Wink. Next, we will move on to onk. O-N-K. Honk, onk. So we will start with this letter. Pull it down. Tap it out. B-onk. Blend it together. Bonk. Our next word. Tap it out. Onk. Blend it together. Honk. Okay, now we're going to move over to unk. U-N-K, junk, unk. There we go. Let's tap it out. B-unk. Bunk. Like a bunk that you sleep on, like a bunk bed. And our next word. Tap it out. P-unk. Blend it. Punk. Punk. Kind of means to joke with someone, to play a trick on them. All right, and moving on to our next glued sound. Ank. A-N-K. Bank. Ank. Pull it down. Tap it out. S-ank. Sank. Like the boat sank. And our last word. Tap it out. T-ank. Tank. All right, nice job.